Mati anik mepaklah jirat gaduh adat han pat tanida. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ronald Kafianda. Welcome to Aceh History. Well, today I visited a historic place located in Banda Aceh. The name of place is Kerkhoff Pochun. Well, Kerkhoff and Pochun has a different meaning. Okay, Kerkhoff means a churchyard over grave, and Pochun is a nickname of Sultan Iskandar the Sun. This building and this Kerkhoff Pochun was built in 1893, and after tsunami, this place and this historic place was refit and repaired by the government of Aceh Darussalam. Okay, and today I invited two my guests to come to my show. Okay, so to get information about this place, follow me and stay in this video. Okay, check it out. Now, I'll be with my first guest. She comes from Banda Aceh. So, she will tell a lot about this place, and yeah, actually I will do an interview with her. Okay, well, good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Could you tell us a little bit about your identity? What is your name? Where are you come from? And where are you studying right now? Thank you.
My name is Eva Andriani. I'm from Banda Aceh, and I am studying at Uin Aganiri University. I take English department major, and I'm also a historian.
For my first question, Miss, I see around here there are a lot of graves. So could you tell me how many graves there are here?
Okay, here there are 2,200 the grave of Bedak soldier who was killed when the war has been started between Aceh and Netherlands. Counted for general, one of them was General Kohler. Kohler was a commander or leader of the Dutch military soldiers. Their first invasion was in German Beach. Now it was known as Ulele Beach, and after that they declared the war to Aceh. But unfortunately, he died in this case because the Aceh sniper shot at him in front of Baitur Rahman Mosque and exact Gelempang Tree. And after that, his remains was brought to Jakarta. And at that time, the name of Jakarta was Batavia. The strategic location was in Tanah Abang. But after a year, there is a little bit problem with the location. So the governor of Aceh at that time, Muzakir Walad, asked to took back his remand, Kerkhoff remind of Kohler, to put in the Kerkhoff.
Wow, that sounds so much, Miss. Okay, so for my second question is, I see on the wall there are a lot of names. Okay, astrological. So, what does it mean of that written in the wall? Okay, see.
So, in this wall, there are names of the Dutch military soldiers who was killed when the war in Aceh, but not all the names from the Netherlands, partly of names from indigenous, and according to the story, there was a soldier who was paid by the Dutch to attack Aceh that was taken from Ambon, Manado, and Java.
Yep, I see, Miss. Okay, thank you. So my last question is for you is about can you find something unique from this place, and what is that?
Yes, in the Kerkhoff, the visitor can see many cute designs of the grave. Even part of them there are brief testimony which tell about their story life, and the story was written in the Arabia and the Dutch.
You, Miss?
You are welcome.
Well, after I did an interview with Miss Eva. Actually, yeah, Alhamdulillah, we got a lot of knowledge about Kirkov. Okay, when the Kirkov died, and then about the article written in the wall about the grave there we can find here. Okay, so right now we not stop to this episode. We will do the next interview with my guest. Okay, she also from Banda Aceh. Okay, so if you want to know about her and about me, about this place, about Pochut, okay, follow me.
Closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older.
As good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane.
Welcome, Miss. So could you tell us a little bit about your identity? What is your name? Where are you come from? And where are you studying right now? Thank you.
My name is Widya Ningsi. I'm from Banda Aceh, and now I'm studying at UIN Ananeri, and I take English department student, and also I'm a historian.
Okay, well, Miss, I have read an article about this place, Kirkov Pochut, and I got a name is Merah Pupu. Yeah, Merah Pupu. So could you tell us a little bit about who is Merah Pupu?
Kirkov Pochut now managed by Foundation Fund Pochut and established on 29 January 1979. And over the initiative of GHG Bridgens, he is a colonel versus very concerned see the conditions of the time of military is after his visit to Aceh.
Thank you, Miss, for your explanation. Yeah, Sultan Iskandar Muda. I'm so curious about him. So could you tell me or tell us about who is Sultan Iskandar Muda and where he is come from?
Sultan Iskandar Muda was a sultan who led the kingdoms of Aceh, and at the time, under the leadership of him, Aceh is fairly glorious at the time, and Sharia Islam at the time is very good, and at the time, Sultan Iskandar Muda make a rule that if someone or royal family did zina or sexual without marriage and signed it or breaking the law of Islam, they have to kill. And one day, his son Merah Pupu did zina or sexual without marriage with a wife of the vizier the kingdoms, and he had punished with his father.
Thank you so much, Miss, for your explanation about Sultan Iskandar Muda and also about Merah Pupu. Yeah. So when I arrived in this place, I see a lot of the grave. Actually, this is grave, right? And yeah, so this place also clear and then look beautiful. So who is keep this place? I'm very curious about that.
We can see in here one of the literature showing the implementations of Sharia Islam in online of life is the historical record about the execution son Royal Crown to get Cope has broken the law of Islam. His name is Merah Pupu, and he is Sultan Iskandar Muda.
Thank you so much, Miss, for your participation for today.
Okay, welcome.
Yep. So, okay, well, audience, after I did an interview with two my guests, Eva Andrani and also Widya Ningsi, Alhamdulillah, we got a lot of knowledge about this place, about this history place. Kerkhoff Wajud. Wow. So, as the next generation for Aceh Darussalam, actually we have to learn, we have to know a lot about history place. Okay, and also Kerkhoff Wajud, this place is as evidence of Aceh's struggle. So because of that, do not, feel free to come to this place, because this place has a lot of history about Aceh Darussalam. Okay, so thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Ronald Tafenda.
And I'm Andriani.
And I'm Vidya Nancy.
See you for the next episode. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.